Hello my dear student. Today I discuss about higher order differential equation. Higher differential equations. What is the higher differential equation? It have any independent variable differentiate with respect to one, two or more times. The equation is called higher differential equation. So the equation of form, it is mathematically the equation of form d power ny by dx power n plus d power n minus 1y by dx power n minus 1 plus up to so on, that is equal to 0. This is the higher order differential equation. Whenever you eliminate here y or y is equal to 1, okay, auxiliary equation means, first of all we are finding auxiliary equation. The put y is equal to 1, dy dx is equal to capital D. We are substitute here. So dy dx. So dy place lo 1 substitute cheste d power n by dx power n. D by dx means capital D. Here order n plus d power n minus 1 plus that is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. So we are finding the roots. Whenever we are solving this equation, we get roots. So roots are not equal. So d is equal to a comma b comma c comma up to so on. The complementary function yc is equal to c1 e power ax plus c2 e power bx plus c3 e power cx plus dot. This is the case 1. The roots are not equal. Okay. We have 3 cases. In case the roots are equal, d is equal to a comma a up to so on. Same similar roots vaste మన complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus up to so on e power ax. అంటే మనం ఇచ్చిన ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే రూట్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ వస్తే ఇది. ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ d is equal to a plus or minus ib. In case the roots are complex number అయితే yc is equal to e power ax c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. This is the higher order differential equation, complementary function. Here yc means complementary function. So this is the higher order differential equation. We get the roots of 3 cases. So one of the roots are equal, roots are not equal, roots are complex. Okay. So next I am explain some problems. Okay. Hello my dear students, see the one of the example. The given problem, the solve d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So first of all we are finding the roots. Roots కనుక్కునే ముందు first what is the auxiliary equation? What is the auxiliary equation? You take y is equal to 1, d by dx means capital D or m. Sometimes we are somebodies are calling the m. So but I am taking d here. So put auxiliary equation. So dy by dx that is equal to d, y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the d square, y plus 1 పెట్టాం, d square plus d plus y plus 1, that is equal to 0. So what are the roots? D square plus d plus 1. So this is the quadratic equation. We have two roots. Okay. So d square, d is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Already we know the quadratic form of the roots. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the x value? X value means minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So here a means here 1, b means 1, c means 1. Okay, I am substitute. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So d is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square means 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4 means minus 3 by 2. So d is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root lo minus eliminate చేస్తే I రాసుకోవాలి. So I by 2. So this is the complex root. So we use the third case. So roots are complex అయినప్పుడు ఏమి yc is equal to complementary function e power minus 1 by 2x c1 cos root 3 by 2 x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2 x. This is the solution. Okay, this is the answer to the given problem. Next I am explain another problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 4y, that is equal to 0. Okay, so first of all we are finding roots. Okay, you take, already we know auxiliary equation means you take y is equal to 1, d by dx is equal to capital D. Here I have substitute. So d square plus 4d plus 4, that is equal to 0. Y plus 1 substitute చేశాను, d by dx అంటే capital D రాశాం. So this is the factors. So d square plus 4d నేను రాసుకోవచ్చు 2d plus 2d plus 4, that is equal to 0. Here common out d, so d plus 2 plus 2 common is the d plus 2, that is equal to 0. So d plus 2 common out, so d plus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, so d is equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. So plus 2 అవుతుంది, తీసుకుపోతే right side minus 2. So roots are equal because here the roots are equal. So yc అంటే complementary function, yc is equal to c1, second formula, c2x e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x. Okay, this is the solution given problem. Next I will explain another problem. Next dq minus 1 y is equal to 0. d cube minus 1 is equal to 0. ఆల్రెడీ మనకు d by dx ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ D పెట్టాడు కాబట్టి y ప్లేస్ లో 1 పెట్టేసి సరిపోతుంది. సో ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 1. the auxiliary equation ఏమవుతుందో మనకు auxiliary equation dq minus 1 is equal to 0. So how to find the roots? Already we know synthetic method in intermediate second year. Okay, so first of all మనం తీసుకోవాల్సిన రూట్స్ కనుక్కుంటే d cube coefficient 1, నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ d square ఉండాలి, లేదు 0, d d లేదు కాబట్టి 0 కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకే, ఒక ఆర్డర్లో రాసుకోవాలి. సో ఏదైనా ఒక వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఆ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి 0 వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్ ఇన్ గివన్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, దీనిలో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే, ఒకవేళ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి 0 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్ ఇన్ ద d cube minus 1. So I am taking d is equal to 1. This is the 1 first. Okay, 0 కావాలి. ఒకవేళ 1 0 కాకపోతే -1 పెట్టాలి. ఒకవేళ దానికి కాబట్టి 2 అట్లా -2 అట్లా చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. ఏదో ఒక రూట్ కంపల్సరీగా 0 అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు 1 cube minus 1 అంటే ఏమి 1 minus 1 0 అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్ ద గివన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో I am taking d is equal to 1 is satisfied. So here 1. First of all you take here 0. Okay, here first మనం 0 తీసుకోవాలి. సో 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 into 1 ప్రోడక్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవాలి. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. So here compulsory we get 0. Okay, so d cube లో నుంచి ఒక d వాల్యూ మనకు వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి this is the d square, d constant. So this is the d square constant plus d plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, next we are finding the, already we know quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So here apply, and d is equal to minus b means this is the d coefficient means b means here minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square means అంటే 1 square minus 4ac by 2a, 2 into 1. A means this is the a, this is the b, this is the c. Okay, so d is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4 1 is 4 into minus 3 by 2. That is equal to d is equal to here minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I. The root లో minus వచ్చింది కాబట్టి this is the iota value. So roots are complex. We get the roots are complex. The yc is equal to e power minus 1 by 2x c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x plus. Okay, roots are complex కాబట్టి మనకి ఏమిది ఈ పైన వచ్చి ఇది వస్తుంది, కాస్ సైన్ దగ్గర యాంగిల్ దగ్గర అది తీసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ లిమిట్. సో మనకి ఇంకొకటి ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ ఏమి d is equal to 1, ఇది కూడా అనదర్ రూట్ కాబట్టి ప్లస్ రాసి c1 c2 c3 e power 1x. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ సొల్యూషన్ గివన్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ I am explaining another problem. Next we are finding the, I am explaining the another problem. You see and listen carefully. So d square minus a square into y, that is equal to 0. d square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, so auxiliary equation means you take y is equal to 1 and substitute here, put y is equal to 1. So d square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, this is the a square minus b square లాగా ఉంది కాబట్టి a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to 0. d is equal to minus a comma a. So roots are different. Minus e value వచ్చింది, plus value వచ్చింది, roots are different. So complementary function cf means complementary function yc is equal to e power minus ax c1 plus c2 e power ax. This is the solution. Okay, next I am explaining another problem. Solve d square y by dx square a into plus b into dy by dx plus c, that is equal to 0. Here you take y is equal to auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means y is equal to 1, d by dx means capital D. So this is the AD square plus BD plus C is equal to 0. Find out the roots. So already we know D is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Okay, A plus A undi, B plus B undi, C plus C undi. So we have the two roots. One of the root minus A plus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Another root means minus A minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Okay. So you have substitute complementary function yc is equal to, so I am saying this is the k1, this is the k2. You substitute c1, roots are different. So k1x plus e power c2 into e power minus k2x. This is the solution. Okay. Say. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో మీకు యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా రాసుకోవాలి, అదేవిధంగా మనకి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. టుమారో ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.